Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session. This is the physiology portion. Which of the following stimulate gastric acid secretion? That means which substances is responsible for increase the secretion of the gastric acid? Here are the options. Options are cholecystokinin, gastric inhibitory polypeptide or peptide, secretin, histamine, and somatostatin. So we have to find out one of the option which stimulate the gastric acid secretion. So first of all, here we can see a pathway. This is the stomach and the parietal cell. Here we can see the parietal cell, and it releases hydrogen ion in the lumen, and when it binds with chloride ion, then hydrochloric acid form. And in the parietal cell, here we can see the important substances which stimulates the parietal cell and release of the hydrogen ion, especially hydrochloric acid in the lumen. Here we can say first of all gastrin. The gastrin, it is released from the cells which is G cell. So the gastrin released from G cell, it is responsible for increasing the hydrochloric acid secretion from the parietal cell. Also here we can see the histamine. This histamine also increase the secretion of hydrochloric acid from the parietal cell, and acetylcholine, which is the parasympathetic nervous system. And the parasympathetic nervous system, acetylcholine, it also increase the secretion of the hydrochloric acid by the parietal cell. So gastrin, acetylcholine, and histamine, these three important chemical substances may increase the secretion of the hydrochloric acid from the parietal cell. And here we can see the gastrin. So when there is gastrin producing tumor, in this condition peptic ulcer develop because more hydrochloric acid secretion from the parietal cell. Second one is the acetylcholine. This acetylcholine, it also increase secretion of the hydrochloric acid, and histamine also increase hydrochloric acid. So the patient who suffer frequently from the allergic condition, this type of patient frequently suffer from the peptic ulcer disease. So here our answer, it is now clear, I think, that the histamine, it stimulates gastric acid secretion, and other two option was the gastrin. Here you can see this is the gastrin and acetylcholine. So gastrin, acetylcholine, and histamine, they stimulate secretion of the gastric acid secretion. And this point is very important, that when the patient is frequently suffer from the bronchial asthma or allergic condition, allergic rhinitis, and other allergic condition, this condition histamine release, such as in allergic rhinitis, histamine release in the nose area. In case of allergic in case of bronchial asthma, there is histamine release in the lung field area. And at the same time, the histamine which present other side of the body, such as in the stomach, the histamine also release in this area. So in case of allergic patient, there is frequently develop of the peptic ulcer disease due to increased gastric acid secretion due to histamine. And here other option, here we can see the cholecystokinin. It acts on the gallbladder. Gastric inhibitory peptide, it is an inhibitory peptide. Then here we can see another option, which is the secretin. Secretin also acts other part. And somatostatin, it also, somatostatin is a globally inhibitory hormone. That means it increase all function of the gastrointestinal tract. So our final answer is the histamine.